Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can master the thumb wheel of your Logitech MX Master 4. So the primary thing that you can do with your mouse is the side scrolling. It's primarily assigned for the thumb wheel. It's useful if you are using a spreadsheet. This way you can navigate between the tiles horizontally, as you can see. If you do not use spreadsheets too much, you can assign a different feature, a different action to this button by downloading and installing the official software for your mouse. It's called Logitech Options Plus. I highly recommend downloading and installing it. It's adding a bunch of different features to your mouse. Once you download and install this application from the official Logitech website, you just have to connect your mouse to your computer using any connection type of your preference. Then you will be able to see this window. In this window, click on your mouse, then automatically you will get transferred to Buttons tab. Here select horizontal scroll, and here you can change this action to any other, like volume up, down, navigating between tabs, setting brightness, navigating between apps, switching between desktops. All of these are very useful. Additionally, if you're using a photo editing program like Photoshop, you can edit by clicking Add Application in the top right corner of the screen, then select the Photoshop, for example, click Confirm, and now you can use this wheel for changing the brush size, but you can also change it to Photoshop zoom, Photoshop tab navigation, brush hardness. Also, which is the very useful feature, is keyboard shortcut. For example, I can't remember any keyboard shortcuts from Photoshop. Let's for example use the Control Shift J. It's used to cut out the selection from the original layer and paste it to the new one. Now basically in order to add a keyboard shortcut, you just have to press the combination of keys that once you want to select this field right here, and then this combination will be assigned to the button. Now also, besides using custom actions for this button, you can also go to point, scroll, and press tab in this application, then select your thumb wheel, and here you can change its speed, making it lower for more precise navigation, or higher for longer spreadsheets, for example. You can also change the direction by selecting one of these two options, either default or inverted, however you prefer. And that's basically it. I hope that this feature expanded your knowledge about your thumb wheel, and if they did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.